My name is Lawton. I'm originally from Staten Island, New York, but I currently live in Temecula, California. I'm in a United States Marine. I wanted to have a clerical name behind me, such as Detail Kings, which I followed early on in life, and to find out that they actually do some type of diploma for me, I think it would help my business as I wanted to grow. Today's exterior training was outstanding. To utilize tools that I've yet to ever use myself and see the difference that it makes in your actual outcome of your work has been phenomenal. How important to have the steamer in the wet vac, the heated wet vac at that. Yes, those are some of my next investments to expedite and get more turnaround for my business. As I am a true believer, sometimes you have to pay into yourself, and this definitely was one of the best pains I've made in my life.